Now, one of the cool things about this toilet is when you simply just walk up to it. It has an auto open and an auto close. So once you walk up to it, it will automatically open that toilet seat for you. And then when you're done and walk away, it automatically closes the toilet and it flushes for you. But you can always use the button on the bottom as well to open the top part and then open the seat itself. And then you can also use that bottom button to completely close the toilet as well. So nice little features there. And then the Smart Toilet has a foam shield that activates when you sit on it. This creates a foam barrier over the water, giving you an anti-splash system, which is going to give you zero splashback. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It's also going to trap all of the bad smells and bacteria underneath for some anti-odors, so you shouldn't get any of that smelliness, any of that stinkiness coming from the waste that comes out of your body. And then we get a built-in bidet that comes with 4 custom modes. We're getting a gentle feminine mode, we got a warm, cool massage mode, a powerful air bubble wash mode, and a front to back oscillating mode. And all of this can be done using the remote that comes with the Smart Toilet. So it's nice that we get all of these customization options. I mean, you can also change up the temperature of the seat if you would like to, change up pressure. I mean, heck, you can even flush the toilet while you're still sitting down if you want, using the remote itself. So it's nice that we get all of these extra features just using the remote for this Smart Toilet.